This is Gutter Glove Pro, our most advanced gutter guard technology for those who demand the ultimate gutter protection for their home, combining the best of what we've learned from over 20 years of gutter guard innovation. It starts with a sturdy all-aluminum frame, providing industry-leading strength capable of handling wet debris from the most demanding environments. It's covered by stainless steel micromesh, capable of filtering almost any kind of debris that Mother Nature throws at it, from pine needles and roof grit to leaves and pests and more. And it's all wrapped up in patented can't get it anywhere else technology. Raised V-bin lifts debris off the mesh so it blows away easily in the wind. 3/16 stainless steel mesh delivers season after season protection. And best of all, it fits on any gutter or roof type. Combine all of that with an unmatched 40-year warranty, and you can see why hundreds of thousands have chosen Gutter Glove Pro. Join the movement. Do it right. Do it once. Choose Gutter Glove Pro.